insects can you grow without spraying at all? With the kinds of insects that we have here that attack crops mercilessly, it's completely impossible for you to say you won't spray at all. So we have sprays that will help your garden, but you have to calculate. So if the spray takes 4 days, then or 7 days, finish all those days without harvesting. But this is easier done with chili. For hot pepper, if we harvest on Friday, it means we are going to harvest again on Tuesday. And if we harvest on Tuesday, it means we're going to harvest again the following Friday. So if the medicine is telling you you need to spend 7 days without harvesting, when the time comes for you to harvest your pepper, stop using that medicine. Don't use that medicine if your pepper is ready for harvesting. Now we have medicine like nimbecidine. For nimbecidine, even if you spend 3 days, you can harvest, but it's not so strong, so it cannot fight insects heavily. That's why to help nimbecidine, we also use traps. When we put in traps, these traps can trap insects, which will help your garden to survive and continue without spraying all the time.